Have you ever spent hours writing a blog post, a lesson, a newsletter, or even a YouTube script, only to realize that hardly anyone actually read it? The problem isn't your content. The problem is how it's presented. Today, I'm showing you an AI tool called Capsules that transforms ordinary articles into beautiful, interactive, visual stories. Whether you're a content creator, educator, marketer, or business owner, this might completely change how you share your ideas online. Let's jump in. By the way, I'm Alex, and if you want all my AI workflows, prompt packs, and tools like this, you can join our AI creator community. Links in the description. Let's dive in. Let's build one together. For this demo, I'm going to turn a simple poem into an interactive capsule. Step 1. Create a new capsules. Start by creating a new capsule and paste in your poem. You can also write directly inside the platform or import content you have already created. Step 2. Break the poem into scenes. Capsules analyzes the poem and separates it into different scenes. Because this is a poem, each stanza can become its own visual moment, making the story easier to follow. Step 3. Choose the visual style. Next, choose a style that matches the mood of the poem. For this example, I'm using a children's picture book illustration style with soft colors, hand-painted textures, expressive characters, and a warm storybook feeling. Step 4. Generate the visuals. Now let Capsules generate an image for each scene. You can keep the generated illustrations, regenerate anything that doesn't fit, or upload your own artwork for a more personalized result. Step 5. Preview and ref. Preview the full capsule and scroll through the story from beginning to end. Check whether the text is easy to read, the visuals match each stanza, and the pacing feels smooth. Step 6. Publish and share. Once everything looks right, publish your capsule and share the link with your audience. You can use it as a digital poem, an interactive storybook, or a creative classroom resource. In just a few steps, a simple poem becomes an immersive children's picture book experience. Content creators can use Capsules to turn existing ideas into more engaging visual experiences. Create a visual product launch, or present your work as a scrollable portfolio instead of a basic PDF. It's also useful for repurposing newsletters, personal stories, case studies, and behind-the-scenes content. Let's quickly look at the pricing. The creator plan is $25 per month and includes 350 AI credits, up to 4 published capsules each month, custom styles, and 10 gigabytes of storage. The Pro plan is $100 per month and includes 1,500 AI credits, unlimited published capsules, custom branding and domains, 2 team seats, and priority rendering. Capsules offers a different way to present the ideas you have already created. For creators, it can make content more memorable. For educators, it can make lessons more engaging. So, what would you turn into a capsule first? A lesson, a blog post, a portfolio, or a product launch? Let me know in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to AI TLDR, and join our community for more practical AI tools, prompts, and workflows. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.